It's your boy 430 AlienCRO Crypto. Tune in, man. All or nothing. Let's get this bag. What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy 430 AlienCRO Crypto, and I'm right back at it, all over again. Let's do this. Just wanted to let y'all know. It's my little Twitter. You know what I'm saying? It's the new video alert tweet for the last video I just dropped, minting and staking my second AlienCRO NFT. So y'all go check that out, man. If you following me on here, or if this is your first time seeing me, y'all go check that out, man. That video is basically a slow-mo version of what we're about to do here. In this video, I'm gonna mint my third AlienCRO NFT, and I'm gonna try to do it as fast as possible for you guys. So what I do is, for this instance, I sent over USDC Chronos based, which is Crypto.com's Chronos blockchain. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna swap and I'm gonna get some CRO, because I sent in stable coins. You know how I do. Stable everything. Stables in, stables out. I don't like to complicate my head. I like to just keep numbers the way they need to be. You understand? So we're gonna 100% that. We're gonna go ahead and go for the swap. Confirm that. You know what I mean? We're gonna do our little 2FA, which I like to do to keep everything nice and secure. Cyber security. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and let that sit. I usually like to wait till it pops up green, but sometimes it don't. So I just go back and it'll usually be there. So we're gonna go ahead over the wallet. And we're gonna make sure we got that CRO. Okay, we got that CRO. All right, so we're gonna get up out of here and make sure we got the CRO in here. I'm gonna be minting this today on my iPhone, iOS, MetaMask browser. So if you guys are on the mobile, I got your back. I'm gonna make this look easy for you guys. This is the third time. So we're gonna do this the third time. You know what they say, the third time's a charm. We're not gonna enter here yet. We're gonna go over to the main website, AlienCRO. We're gonna connect our wallet. We're gonna go ahead and mint this AlienCRO right now. Okay. So we're gonna wait, guys. We're gonna do the whole crypto patience. You already know. Hashtag crypto patience. This ain't no joke. You don't want no transactions rejected. You don't want to burn any unnecessary gas fees, and you don't want to miss a step. So please watch these videos over at least once or twice before you try to do this on your own. If you're new to crypto DeFi, that's why your boy 430 AlienCRO Crypto is here. I'm here for the newbies. I'm here for the veterans. You know what I'm saying? But most importantly, the newbies. The new generation, the younger dudes, the older dudes, anybody trying to gain some knowledge on cryptocurrencies and NFTs and metaverse and staking, farming, all that good stuff, and much, much more. Tune in. It's your boy 430 AlienCRO Crypto. We're going to make sure this thing panned out. So what we're going to do is, when you mint an AlienCRO NFT, what you want to do is, as soon as it says successfully minted, you want to head over here to ToFuNFT. I find this one the most helpful NFT marketplace in terms of data. And, you know, you just want to make sure that your NFT minted successfully. It'll show up here when you connect your wallet. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect our wallet. You know what I'm saying? We're going to go to items. And if something doesn't come out, it's because you got to change the blockchain. So if something doesn't come out here, all right, we got 284. That's the next one. Okay. I mean, it looks decent. You know what I'm saying? I like purple. I mean, I like purple. Shout out to Killer Cam. You already know I like purple. You know what I'm saying? So if for some reason it doesn't show up for you guys, the NFTs you minted, I think this might help by changing your blockchain over to the corresponding blockchain in which you minted your NFT in. So we're going to go to items. We're going to make sure it's there, which we already did. We're going to click on here. We're going to check the rarity, just so you guys get in the habit of checking the rarity. You know what I'm saying? And we're also going to add it into our MetaMask NFT folder, so you could go ahead and check your little dude out when he's in the wallet. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this address, the contract address, okay? We're going to copy and paste that. We're going to head back. And you're going to memorize the number of your NFT, which is 284, because that's the number you're going to need to enter in the NFT. You'll see right here. We're going to copy and paste that address. And right here, you're going to enter 284, I think. Was it 284? Let me see, guys. Make sure I got it. Yeah, 284. So it should show up there, okay? So you see how right now? Okay, so there we go. We got 3 now, all right? We stacking them up. I'm trying to maximize this wallet. I'm trying to get 10 on this wallet. You already know that's the maximum you can get. Shout out to the boy Dana Wings. Know what I mean? Shout out to the boy Robo Thugs. Shout out to the rest of the AlienCRO development team. Anybody that's helping and contributing and making this community solid and making this community transparent and helping each and every new person that signs up, that comes into the groups and asks questions, trying to get the AlienCRO on. We appreciate everybody doing their part. This is a community-based project. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. DYOR. Do your own research. This is what I'm getting into. I'm bullish on this project. I have a familiar understanding of the development team and how they like to work and what their plans are. You know, not all of them, but you know what I'm saying? I have a clear understanding of fundamental analysis of where they're trying to take this project. When the Alien Token V2 relaunch occurs, we're going to have a hyper deflationary token, guys. So you already know what that means. If you're familiar with Forex Sharks BR34P or BREEP, you already know how the deflationary tokens work. So every time there's a buy or a sell within the AlienCRO platform, all the transactions and the taxes incurred from all those, you know, all those fees, they're going to burn the alien token circulation down. Yes, it's going to be aggressive burning too. The development team wanted to stress that to all you guys listening. It's going to be a hyper deflationary token, meaning that the burns are going to be a little bit more on the high side, which is great for investors and holders and stakers. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be staking and holding. I'm a hodler. Your boy 430 AON Crypto is a known diamond hand gorilla, goon, ninja. You already know. We're going to get it. So let's head over and we're going to do the final step to this video and we're going to wrap this up, guys, so I don't take up too much more of your time. If you guys want more videos on things like this or certain projects you want me to check out, or even project developers, if you guys want me to, you know, test out one of your NFTs and see what is, you know what I mean? You want your boy to test trial that? Go ahead and hit me up. DM, Telegram, Twitter, hit my Discord. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I get busy. I like to get busy, and I like to do things right and, you know what I'm saying, educate the people. So now we're in CRODEX. This is where you will be staking your AlienCRO NFT. This is where I have 2 of mine. And, yeah, we're going to go over here. You know what I mean? We're going to do the click stake NFT. It's going to ask us to sign into the wallet. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to hit connect wallet. What's going on here, guys? Let's see. Whenever something's acting up, you just hit reload. Breathe in deep. And don't get frustrated, guys. This crypto, this what happens. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to go ahead and wait till all these things pop up. And your boy's going to do a little NFT searching on here later on, because I seen some banana numbers like, all right, this is bananas, right? But this right here is looking like bananas, right? And I seen one more disrespectful one, if I'm not mistaken. Now I think that 4,000 was the best. So if I'm not mistaken, that 4,000, you're gonna get about let's see, if you burn one of them NFTs, if you met one of those 4,465, 4617, right? So if you divide that by 365, you're gonna get about 12% daily on your investment. That's a banger right here, baby. CRODEX. I don't know. I'm not familiar with that platform. Personally, I don't like it. I don't like any baby anything. You know what I'm saying? I got 2 of my own. You know what I'm saying? I don't want no more babies, but we'll leave that for another note. You know what I'm saying? So this one right here is kind of draws my attention. Busy Bears Elite Club card. I'm going to be checking that out, guys. I'm going to let y'all know in the Telegram what I think about that. And if you guys are in that watching this video, please let me know your personal experience with that one. So we're going to go ahead over here. We're going to click on AlienCRO. I made 37 cents since I've been staking since yesterday around 5 or 6. It's been about 12 hours since I initiated my first NFT deposit. Then I went and deposited my second one, which is in the second video. The video before this one, you know, staking and minting, or minting and staking my second NFT. You guys could check that out. And this will be my third, guys. And I'm not claiming anything. I'm just gonna let this joint rock. You hear me? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go hit batch deposit. We're gonna click number 284. And we're gonna let that load up. Make sure, confirm that's the NFT you wanna load. You know what I mean? I only got one here, but if you got a whole bunch and they're not in the same collection, you guys might wanna wait till all the pictures load up. You know, it's always being better safe than sorry, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's better wasting a couple dollars extra, or waiting a couple minutes extra, or maybe even a few hours to avoid any delays or unnecessary missteps. You know what I mean? So we're gonna hit deposit. We're gonna go ahead and confirm that. Let's get it. And I'm gonna show you guys my my payout, what it's supposed to look like with 3 NFTs. And hopefully we could keep making videos till this is 10 NFT, guys, and I max it out. And you guys could get a full organic view of the whole process, one by one, adding one in after another. If you guys are wondering how much one of these AlienCRO NFTs was, it was about 300 CRO, which is about 34, 36 bucks, something around that range. You know what I'm saying? So now I have 3 in here, guys. So it says I'm gonna make 2.267 CRX a week, and 1 CRX is 45507. So what we're gonna do is 4.5507 times how many am I gonna get every week? 2.267. Hold on, 2.267. I'm gonna make about $10.31 a week off of these bad boys, all right? And I spent 204 total, right? So we're gonna wait. We're gonna do 204 divided by $10.31. So it'll take me about 19, almost 20 days to return on investment. I'm a sturdy investor, so I will put at least 19 to 25 days to return your investment. If this was the scenario you guys were in, this is how I calculate it. You know, it doesn't always pan out. You know, sometimes the payouts, like this percent right here, drops. You know what I'm saying? That's normal. More people jump in, the percents go lower, unless we get like a super big promotion or a partnership with this platform, CRODEX, which I'm super bullish on. I love using CRODEX. You know what I'm saying? I don't do all my swaps here, but I do my NFT staking here. And if I got to do a swap here, your boy definitely swapping out. You know what I'm saying? So trust and believe. AlienCRO NFTs, big bullish, Chronos blockchain, CRODEX, NFT staking. You know what I'm saying? 300 CRO is what them aliens going for right now. So you guys better get in tune. It's your boy 430 AON Crypto. I hope you guys find value in this content. You know what I'm saying? And I'm signing out.